This is a TGA DTA system connected to the mass spectrometer, and you can see the furnace is closed after putting 2 crucibles. Then I empty the line with the help of vacuum pump. So this is to empty the line from any gas or something remaining from the previous experiment. This time I want to do the experiment with compressed air or the zero air as the reactant gas for my sample. So now I am just creating the vacuum in the line. As you can see, the vacuum gauge is going down to -1 bars. Now the line is completely empty from whatever stuff was present from before. And now I am trying to fill the line with the reactor gas, which is compressed air. So I put the switch on the manual mode, which is the on position, and now I slowly open the valve to allow the reactor gas to fill the line. Now you can see the line is getting filled with the reactor gas. So you can see the gauge is moving now. It takes a while for the line to get filled with reactor gas. It will slowly go up, and in the usual way, or when the instrument is working fine, when it reaches 0, I press the control switch to automatic mode or the switch off mode, which is used for controlling the gas flow through the software. But when the switch is flicked to the switch off mode or the automatic mode, the gas flow should automatically stop. The problem with this line is that when I flick this switch, the gas flow is not stopping. It goes on increasing even after 0. Whereas with the channel 2, it's working fine. So this channel 2 is used for another gas. In this case, it is nitrogen, which will be used for other experiments. So currently I am facing problem with the line 1. You will see it when the gauge reaches 0. Now it's almost going to reach 0. So now we can see I want to close the line by flicking this switch, and it's at 0. I'm just going to flick the switch now. At this point, usually gauge should stop at 0, but you can see it is still going on increasing, which should not be the case if the instrument is fine. When I flick the switch, it should stop at 0. Now just to be sure, I am closing the valve, so I cannot use this line. So this is the problem I am facing with the instrument currently. Hope you understand the problem. And regarding your other questions, so this instrument is having other components like it's a mass flow controller, which can control or which can have 3 gases at the same time, but currently we are using only these 2. As you can see, this is closed, and there is a water circulator to cool down the system. And on the other side, on the left hand side, you can see the system is connected to mass spectrometer, which is from Pfeiffer. So all the systems are controlled through the computer. So hope you understand my problem, and please come back with your suggestions and solutions. Thank you very much.